Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. Okay, so let's make a crab club sandwich. A crab club sandwich. Okay, so this is the crab meat that we're going to be using. Okay, I'm going to show you the inside. Well, I'll show you that in a minute. And we're going to be adding to it to make our club sandwich. We have 2 boiled eggs, we have some relish, lettuce, tomatoes, and seasonings, okay? Alright, so let's do it. Why don't I give you the word of the day while I'm here? You know, when I'm thinking about the word of the day and what I want to say, sometimes I run into a mind freeze, like I can't figure out what exactly I want to say at the time. But one thing is clear, it's always something to speak about, because if you've lived through the day, something happened during the day to cause you to think, and that is a word of the day. So I'm going to leave it all up to you. I want you to think back on your day and think about what made you smile or frown, and think about the results of that, and that is your word of the day. Okay, let's get to our crab club sandwich. All right, this is a good one. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is start out with our crab meat. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to take some out and put it in a bowl. Enough for to make a sandwich. If you're going to make more than one sandwich, then you double up. Okay, I think that is, well, I'll do another spoonful. I think that's plenty for one sandwich. Okay, that's what I took out. So now let's put some seasonings on here. I have some black pepper, and some granulated garlic I'm going to use. Now if you would like to use salt and pepper or whatever season you want, that's good. I'm going to add some chives for some herbs. Okay, now I want to add a little relish in mine. If you don't like relish, do not put relish in yours. 1 and a half tablespoons of relish I put in. You know, it's a lot better buying the crab meat that way, because at least it's all out of the shell and everything, and you don't have to dig it out tiny drops at a time. Okay, so now I want to add some mayonnaise. I like Hellmann's mayonnaise. I don't know what kind you like, but that's my favorite when it comes to mayonnaise. Okay, so I have 3 slices of whole grain bread. Whole grain bread. So if you need fiber. Whole grain bread is really a good source for you to use. It says no artificial ingredients, whole grains, which is 7 grains, fiber is 2 grains, and protein is 4 grains. Now that's pretty good. You get a really nutritional piece of bread there. Okay, so we have 3. So I'm gonna put mayonnaise on the bottom of one. And I need a bigger plate. There we go. This is a little better. And I'm going to put mayonnaise on the bottom of the next one. So we have 2 with mayonnaise on it, right? And mayonnaise on the 3rd piece. Okay. I'm going to put them all on the same plate. Alright, now we need some mayonnaise in our crab meat. Okay, I put some in. Now let's mix this up. Okay, now I want to taste and see what I'm missing. It tastes pretty good. I don't need any salt because it's already seasoned just right. Okay, now I want to start compiling my club sandwich. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put the crab meat on first. Okay, so we have our crab meat on. Now, I boiled 2 eggs. I want to put the eggs on next. Okay, so I'm not going to put 2 eggs on. This seems like it's plenty with the 1 egg. So I'll just eat this for breakfast. And let me show you the progress so far. So you can see the 1 egg is plenty. Okay? Okay. So now we're going to take the bread that is already has mayonnaise on it and flip it over so that the mayonnaise touch the egg. Like that. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to add the lettuce and the tomatoes. And I need mayonnaise on that side. I forgot that. Okay, so now I have one small tomato I sliced up. I'll start with that. And I like a little pepper on my tomatoes. Let me show you so far. Great, now we're going to add the lettuce. Okay. Okay, and now we're going to put our last slice of bread with the mayonnaise down touching the lettuce. Will you look how tall that sandwich looks? Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we want to cut that in half. Let's see. Look at that. How about that, huh? Now, I think that's all you need for the night, don't you think? Okay, let me take a taste. Let me wash my hands 1 second. Okay, guys. Look at that. Okay, let me take a bite. Guys, the next time you're at the fish market, do not pass up crab meat. Get some and make this crab club sandwich. Oh, it is really good. Really good. Especially with the eggs. I want you to see inside there. Look at that. Oh my, my, my. Now that is worth you making. Okay? Alright. Love you, love you, love you. Please give it a thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe. And I'll see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.